Let's talk about objectivity concept. The word objectivity here means the unbiased and verifiable state of the financial statements produced by the company. There is an obvious and a simple need for any financial information to be unbiased, as there are a lot of parties dependent on it for the process of decision making. Let's now understand how objectivity concept directs a company to be unbiased. It's pretty simple actually. Any transaction conducted by the business has to be documented in the form of voucher, memos, invoices, challan, bill books, etc. These documents act as the evidence of a transaction. The reason for a proof to be required by the company is obvious, as everything that is reported in the financial statements has to have evidence attached to it in order to serve different purposes, verification being the most important one. Let's take an example to get into the concept a little further and then we'll wrap this up. Suppose your company is into production of cameras. Let's name it Ricoh Private Limited. Now all the raw materials that you need to produce the camera needs to be purchased from a supplier. It's a simple transaction. The supplier provides you with the raw material and you pay him for it. If in case you are not documenting the purchases in the form of either invoice, memos, etc., the process of verification of these transactions in the future is close to impossible, as you have no evidence attached to those materials bought. No piece of paper or an email is there to serve as any proof that you bought goods from the supplier used for the production of the cameras. There is no information as to who is the supplier and no information about the price at which you bought the raw material. This system of not documenting event can be catastrophic for the business as well as the users of the financial statements. If in question, your financial statements seem biased, there is no trusted way left of knowing for sure if there is a bias or not. Almost every aspect of the business goes into suspicion the moment the reliability of financial statements is questioned. From the example, we can notice that objectivity concept also helps in maintaining the reliability of the financial statements and every decision that revolves around it, keeping it ultimately free from any bias. And that's the objectivity concept. If you still have questions relating to the concept, drop them into the comment section and I will answer them. Thanks for watching.